What a sunny and beautiful day. I just woke up from a nap. It's currently the crossover between London and New York session, and I placed two shorts, one on Euro CHF and the other one on GBP CHF. These two trades are the first trades from my FMS challenge. Let's see how it goes. You know what? I'm just gonna enjoy the sun for 2 more minutes here, or maybe 20. Remember, guys, trade to live, do not live to trade. Be a Chad, do not be a Wojak. What? First trade of the challenge, which unfortunately was a losing trade, and I didn't wait until the stop loss. Closed it right when I saw that it was fighting the 200 EMA. It wasn't supposed to go there in the first place. Setup was no longer valid. Luckily, I closed it out for just a bit more than 0.5% loss, which is good. It would have been a 1% loss, which was planned initially. However, I have another trade here open, which is the Euro CHF. That one is currently in profit. I'm gonna let it open. Let's see on the daily. So you can see it's a very powerful move to the downside, and it's been constantly happening on the daily. We had a correction here, and then it continued to go down. If we zoom in a little bit, let's go on the hourly. We can see that correction that happened, I think about a week ago. It was going up. I didn't do anything. I've been waiting. This was my key area. Interacted with it a little bit, and then it rejected. So I had some winning trades. I think right here I entered the sell, then I was a victim to FOMO. I hate to admit, but it happened, and I was scaling in around here, which ended up eating up my profits from the first one, but that's how we learn. I still ended up making good profits on the way down. I kept sell positions open, so that was good. And moving on to the trade of today, this is still valid. We are way below the 200 EMA. We are way below actually the 50 SMA and 14 SMA, which I'm very happy about. Now the trade is fighting to break this support, and if it breaks, we're gonna see a lot of good things happening about this trade. I'm probably about to move my stop loss to break even here. I don't want to enter any more drawdown after loss from GBP CHF earlier. If it's gonna keep going down and break this level soon, then good. If not, I'm gonna keep waiting, because if it keeps going up, probably it's gonna take a while, or not. Can't catch anything. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna keep you updated. This is the second trade of the challenge, by the way, so let's see. Here is another setup which I would like to take on New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. I would like to sell right here on 2 risk to reward ratio with 20 pip stop loss, 40 pip take profit. If we're gonna place one lot, we're gonna risk short of 1%. Probably gonna go with 0.6 or 0.7 to risk around 0.5% on this one. 0.6 with a stop loss of 7.611 and double take profit. Selling this. Cool. So we just placed this trade. Right now we have 2 open trades. In the history, we got the loss of GC, which unfortunately was the first trade of the challenge. It happens. And then I sold Euro JPY. I wasn't too confident, so I closed it just a little bit in profit, just above break even. And this one with slightly smaller risk, the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. The short one on this, we have it right here. We just opened. Let's see how it's gonna play out. I'm currently looking to opening another position, USD JPY, so I'm gonna show you. We have a clear downtrend, Fibonacci level here. This is like the gold zone that's being rejected. Everything is lined up in terms of moving averages. I'm thinking of entering here for a sell. Keep an eye on it. Roughly 24 hours later, let's see how we're standing. Let me just screen record here. Let's refresh this and show you what we've got after 24 hours, actually 31 hours trading on this challenge account from FMS traders. Here is the dashboard. I've managed to make around 3% profit. More exactly, I think this is 2.72. I just did the math earlier. I've made a total of 10 trades so far. However, only 4 or 5 were actual trades that moved the account. The others were just close to break even. I think this is more than decent for the first 24 hours, especially considering the fact that I actually started with a loss, which is not desirable for starting a challenge. And now let me actually show you what were these trades. You remember from yesterday, which for you was like 30 seconds ago. First of all, the Euro CHF, I eventually moved the stop loss to break even. It went beautifully to take profit, 40 pips take profit, done. What's quite beautiful about it is that I actually almost catch the bottom of the move, which is amazing. You can never expect to catch the top of the trend or the bottom, but this was quite cool. This is the history MetaTrader. These are all the trades. A minor win on Euro JPY, $42 profit. Great. Then we had 2 take profits on New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, and UJ. 2 very healthy and beautiful take profits there. Let me show you on the charts. UJ first. This is the trade. Same story, moved the stop loss to break even. The trade played out beautifully and it hit the TP right here. 40 pips this one as well. Yeah, 36.5, roughly 40 pips. Also on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, we've had these trades. I think our winner was this one, but I see this one here hitting TP as well. I'm not sure if I executed on that one. Yeah, actually it was just the first one. So as you can see, there are a couple here closed on break even. Really, we're down to 3 trades: Euro CHF, UJ, and New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. These 3. That's awesome. It's great that I managed to get out of drawdown, which I had from the very first trade. That should conclude the first day of the challenge. Currently, it's Friday, 21st of January 2022. The market is about to close right now. That being said, I'm gonna get right back in on Monday to continue this challenge. I'm happy we had a great start. Hopefully we're gonna keep it like that and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated on the entirety of this challenge. If you'd like to be a part of the journey and follow up with my video journal of this challenge, and not only just a lot of trading I'll do from now on, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and like this video, because it's probably the first one on this channel and it's going to be really cool to have maybe 3 likes, and YouTube is gonna know that some people are really appreciating this video. Hope I could inspire you to get to work and go chase your dreams. Don't wait around. It's all gonna be worth it. If you found it helpful, I would really appreciate if you would stick around and say hello in the comments. That being said, I will catch you in the next one, which is gonna be really soon, Monday. Stay tuned. Ciao, have a nice weekend.